Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing another 6 figures of Dragon Ball Super from Bandai. This one's not going to be a build-a-figure series, it's just 6 random different figures. Alright, so let's get into the video. I'm going to start off with regular Bardock. I'm going to open this bad boy up. Alright. Pretty cool figure. Just to the side. Alright. As you can see, great detail. I love the design of the Dragon Ball Super series figures. You can see the tail right there. The color, even though I think the color should have been a little more green like it is in the anime, this one has like a lime green. I don't remember too much because I haven't seen Goku Father Bardock in a long time, so I gotta rewatch it. But I was pretty sure it was a little bit more greener, but it's still pretty good design. I still like the color scheme. See right there the face. Whether they use a Goku mold, but right there you can see the scar. Let's focus. So it's a pretty impressive figure. Didn't skip the details in the bandana. I love how the tail was wrapped. So this is Bardock. Next we're gonna get into Super Saiyan Gogeta. Just like his, he has the halo up there. Let me take him out. I'm 100% sure this is his first appearance from Fusion Reborn when he fought Janemba. Let me just get this right here. The camera right there. Alright. Pretty awesome figure. I mean, I try to ignore this little part with the halo. I mean, how else you gonna get a halo up there? But I do like that this is really based off his first appearance. Now, I remember he did make an appearance too in Dragon Ball Super Broly. But I still like that they go by his very first appearance of Gogeta. Looking serious as always. Color scheme. I think this was more yellow. I'm not sure why they have a more orangey look. I'm trying to remember because I haven't watched Dragon Ball Z in a long time. But other than that, they got the color schemes right. Details are good. So I'm impressed with the figure. Alright. Now we're going into Android 18. Impressive details. Let's see if I get this closer. Right there. Now with her, not only they got the details right. See right here. They got the color right too. Now, unlike the last two figures we just reviewed, I have no complaints about the color. Her boots, her jean skirt, her jacket, jean jacket, t-shirt. Got the red ribbon, the belt, the blonde hair, the eyes, and the even the ring, the earring right here. She's a well-detailed figure. Now, they got her right. They did that. They did a good job with her. I'm impressed with her figure. One of my favorite androids. Definitely a cool figure. I'm glad they released her. Now we're going for her brother, Android 17. Okay. Okay. Just like his sister, very great detail. Not only they got the color right, just like the anime. I like when they make the figures look like I really pulled it out of the anime and right into my hand. The little detail as the red ribbon symbol right here. Color and everything. He got his holster with a gun in it. Unfortunately, you can't take out the gun. I wish they did that, but I'm not gonna knock him too much for that. Right there, you can see. Now I like this. His ripped jean. Got the socks green. They even got the green right on his socks. His face details, pretty good. Of course, they don't show his earring, but his hair's covering it, so I'm not gonna knock it too much. Overall, just like his sister, pretty good figure. Well detailed. Color scheme right. So far, despite all the 4 figures we just opened right here, I do like these two the most. Android 18 and 17 because they have they're pretty much down pack accurate. These guys are accurate too with their design and their details. The only thing I'm just a little bit off with the colors, but I gotta, like I said, I gotta rewatch the anime because I haven't seen it in a while. Now we're going for Cell right here. I hope some Cell fans are watching. This is interesting. I think a piece of wing fell off. So already, I like how they even made the wings movable. Right here. I thought they were just going to be like a regular prosthetic, but no. The wings are removable, as you can see the detail right there. Pretty sure not too movable. They got the little beehive looking thing right here. I like that. Detail is right. The color is right. Let me see right here. You can see accurate in the face detail. Even the spots on his head. Right here. Those little spots. Love the detail on this one. Right now, so far, my favorite out of the whole bunch is this one, Cell. Did a phenomenal job. I give credit to whoever designed this figure from Bandai. They did a really good job with the paint, with the color accuracy, detail accuracy. Okay, leave him there. And now the last, Super Saiyan 3 Goku. Okay. Okay. As you can see, Super Saiyan 3's always had the joke of their hair being over exaggerated to the point they had to separate it. Let's see if I get this in. Alright. You got it here. Hopefully the hair don't fall off. But as you can see, right here, accurate look. He got kind of like the Super Saiyan 3 hairless eyebrow. I call it the caveman brow. Hair details and colors pretty good, just like in the anime. His gi is on point. The orange with the blue. Boots well detailed. You can see the little ropes there. Color scheme good. Yep, I knew the hair was going to fall out. Might have to glue that bad boy later. But other than that, pretty good figure. Accurate detail in the face. Alright. Now let's see if the figures stand well. Sometimes these figures, some of them could stand well on their own. Some of them might need a little stand for them. Right here. Okay, Bardock looked like he might fall. It's interesting to show the height difference. That's the thing I like about the Dragon Ball Super figures. Oh, there you go. Okay. Cell might fall too. Cell might need a stand. Well, I put all my figures in a stand anyways. Let me just get this right here. Now, alright. Now, what's interesting, as you can see, even though they're all would be considered 6-inch figures right here, you could tell the height differences. And it looks like just like in the anime where Goku would be... I haven't seen the latest anime, Dragon Ball Super, like the Tournament of Power, the latest arc. But from what I could remember from the original Z anime, I knew 17 and 18 were a little bit shorter since they tend to be teenagers. So I would believe that Goku will be taller, and Cell was definitely a tall character. But what's interesting is that I didn't expect Gogeta to be taller than Bardock. I would assume Bardock's the same height as Goku. So I'm guessing with Gogeta right here, if he were to stand next to, definitely over Vegeta, he'll tower over Vegeta, but he'll be taller than Goku. I'm not sure. Maybe some of you anime fans, especially Dragon Ball Z fans, could put in the comments, see if Gogeta or the fusions, Vegeta or Gogeta, are taller than Goku, or this is just a figure error. But they got the height down pack, especially for the big Build-A-Figure. You're not going to have Broly almost as tall as these guys right here. Knowing Broly's supposed to be towering, and Kale right after. So, alright guys, so tell me what you think. Do you guys collect Dragon Ball Super? Are you guys planning to get the figures? Are you guys even into Dragon Ball? Leave a like and a comment, and hope you guys have a good day. Take care.